welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see roadmap to start studying AI. Build strong fundamentals. Before diving into AI, you need the basics. Mathematics, linear algebra, probability and statistics, calculus, derivatives, gradients for optimization. Then programming language, Python is recommended. Then learn data handling. AI is all about data. Learn to clean, prepare and analyze datasets. Use pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn and practice on datasets from Kaggle. Introduction to machine learning. Machine learning is the foundation of AI. Learn concepts like supervised learning, classification, regression, then unsupervised learning like clustering, dimensional direction, then model evaluation, accuracy, precision and recall. Start with scikit-learn in Python. Then deep learning, neural networks. Learn basics of neural networks, perceptron, activation functions. Study deep learning with frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch. Then topics like convolutional neural network for computer vision and recurrent neural networks, LSTM sequences, transformers, then NLP. In order to learn all these, we need Anaconda. What is Anaconda? Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R programming language. It is mainly designed for data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence and scientific computing. Why is Anaconda popular in AI and data science? It includes 1500 plus scientific libraries and tools like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Jupyter Notebook, Matplotlib and SciPy etc. Saves a lot of setup time. Conda package manager manages libraries, dependencies and environments easily. You can create separate environments for different AI and ML projects to avoid conflicts. Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab integration. It comes with Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab integration, widely used for data analysis, ML experiments and AI research. Lets you write code, visualize data and explain results in one place. It is cross-platform and enterprise ready. Works on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. And also used in enterprise setups for deploying ML and AI models. Then there is one more tool called Google Colab. Let us see Anaconda versus Google Colab. In terms of installation and setup, Anaconda needs to be installed on your computer. It takes storage approximately 3 to 5 GB. Once installed, you have full control over packages, environments and libraries. Whereas in Google Colab, no installation needed. Runs in your browser. You just need a Google account. That's all. Pre-installed ML libraries are ready to use. Hardware. In terms of hardware, Anaconda uses your computer's hardware, CPU or GPU, if you set up with CUDA and TNN. Performance depends on your machine. In case of Google Colab, it gives free GPU and TPU, though with limits. Greater for training deep learning models without a powerful PC. Colab Pro Plus offers faster GPUs, longer runtimes. In terms of package and environment management, Anaconda uses Conda to create isolated environments. Easy to manage multiple versions of Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, etc. Better for large long-term projects. Whereas Google Cloud limited control. You can install extra packages using pip install, but they reset after the session ends. Hardware to manage custom. Okay, let us see how to install Anaconda. Go to anaconda.com, click on free download, click on get started. I have already signed in. If you have not signed in yet, sign up and sign in. Come under distribution installers, below which I go for Windows, because since I am using Windows, I go for Windows. Click options for Mac and Linux. Since I use Windows, I go for Windows. It started downloading. Let us wait. Anaconda is downloaded. Let us go to the library. Downloaded folder. Let us execute the exe file. It started. Click on next. I agree. Then check this me. Then it looks for default it installs in C drive. Let it be as it is. Then check these both. Add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variables and register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.13. Then click on install. It started installing. Then download VS Code is an IDE. Type on VS Code download. Then click on Windows. It started downloading. Yes, VS Code exe file downloaded. Let us click on it. I accept this agreement. Then next. Then next. Click on finish. Okay guys, we have installed Anaconda and VS Code. VS Code is an IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment where we will do all our coding. So I stop here for today's video. Let us see how to develop Python programs in the upcoming videos. Thank you.